Brain power.
Here she
Come
comes.
on, pretty girl.
Here she comes.
Here she comes. Let's go. Good
Say
job.
hi. Say hi.
You say hi? Say hi.
Say I'm not a one-handed driver.
All right.
Are you walking the little monkey there? Oh, Mr. Bill.
Say hi, baby.
Thanks, JP, for getting all your toys out.
Yeah.
Making an obstacle course.
Such a good driver. Or, well, pushing the stroller.
Where are you going?
Now we gotta turn it on.
Come on, big girl.
Good job, Haley. Good job. Turns around for, see, I did it right.
Yeah, let's go over
Uncle Russ is helping.
That poor monkey looks like.
Correct.
Get on up. Good girl. Look at you. Look at you go.
Good job.
Yes. And this is the new play area. We now don't have a dining room.
Look at Haley's play area. So nice. So many toys. She's not loved at all.
There she
She's a
comes.
pretty princess. Haley, hi, babe.
You gotta watch the road. Oops. Get on up. Big girl. There you
say
go.
hi? You wave? Good job. Good job.
Step out of
Yeah.
Oh.
that. Pull back her up.
JP's putting up obstacles again.
Right.
Oh.
Back up. Can you go backwards? Can you go backwards?
Beep, 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 beep.
Yeah, making that.
See, everybody's playing today, huh?
Two hands? Two hands?
Maggie and JP. And there goes Haley.
All right, little girl.
Oops.
All right, say bye-byes. You look like alfalfa.
Yeah, right.
That was my foot. Oh, one-handed. Look at you go.
All
You're
right.
going to be dragging it
Haley,
soon.
can you wave hello?
Say bye-bye.
Say hi. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? No?
Let's go.
She said no, I want more.